Encountered a Boke file from a note-taking application? These are document files from a specific note-taking platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these Boke Note document files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading Boke file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. Boke files are document files used by Boke note-taking application or similar specialized writing software containing notes, documents, or written content, with formatting and metadata for use within the originating application's document management system. Boke files use proprietary or text-based formats specific to their originating application, storing document content with formatting metadata, embedded objects, and organization information following the application's specification for document storage. This Boke file is designed specifically for the developer tool Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Open the menu by right-clicking your Boke file and choosing Open With. Try Visual Studio Code first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. When a Boke file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening and source application. Identify the application that created the Boke file by examining file properties or contacting the file sender. Install the matching note-taking or document software, which provides full access to Boke content with preserved formatting and embedded elements. Next, trying as text or Markdown. Open Boke files in a text editor like Visual Studio Code, Typora, or Obsidian, which often handle Markdown-based note formats. Many modern note-taking applications use text-based formats that display readable content in general-purpose editors with potential formatting visibility. Finally, converting to standard formats. Within the originating application, export Boke files to standard formats like Markdown, PDF, docx, or HTML for portable access. The exported files work across platforms without requiring the original application, enabling sharing and long-term preservation of note content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.